delete that.
Delete it.
Okay, this
Okay, your car.
1961 Barnegat Ventura 389Q tri-power 4-speed on the floor, and it was purchased from North Carolina about 8 years ago. Collector had it, and after about a year and a half of negotiating, I was able to purchase it. The reason that I was so stubborn about it was I had a car exactly like this back in 1961.
Awesome.
So I did want to take a step back in life.
Yeah. Well, I do the same. I ride BMX bicycles, and I've got a bunch of older BMX bikes that, it's like, yeah, that's what I had when I was a kid.
The car has original paint.
Awesome.
Glass, chrome, everything is and no pitting. It's a great car.
Yes, beautiful looking car. Beautiful. Thank you. Made the correction. Veteran like my father.
Mine is the 68 GTO.
Okay, awesome.
Had it since 1991. It's pretty much been done also. That's our baby. We just keep it out. Things like this.
Cool. Go out and have a good time.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, gentlemen, for a little bit of history on the cars.
Looking at a 66 weight.